guys, welcome or welcome back to today's video. In today's video you are going to see some amazing perfumes which comes under rupees 100, under rupees 200, under rupees 300 and obviously under rupees 500. So yeah, I have a lot to show you guys. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's buzz into the video. Now guys, I have bought everything from Amazon, so all the links will be given in the description box below. So if you want to check it out, you can definitely check it out. Now let's start this video with this perfume. This is a fragrance or body spray or perfume, whatever you want to say, from Miniso, and the variant, this variant is named as Rose Cloud. As you can see, they have different perfumes. I have bought two. I'm going to show you. Now this is priced at rupees 90, only rupees 90, and you will be getting 75 ml of product in it, and the fragrance is amazing. It is having a floral fragrance, and this is going to last you at least for 3 to 4 hours. And the best part about this perfume is you can definitely carry it in your small handbag also. I have got one more variant. Now I have finished this one. This is their Twinkle Stones, and this color is so soothing, and this variant is known as Sea Mist. Means this is a ocean breezy kind of fragrance, and means if you have ever went into any cruise or something like that and very close to ocean, the breezy fragrance that you get over there, that is the fragrance that you will be getting over here. I kind of love this fresh fragrance, and I have told you the price guys. It is priced at only rupees 90. Now, oh my god, everything is falling down. Now the next deodorant is one of my favorite. This is Yardley English Rose deodorant. It looks so girly, as you can see, and the fragrance is so nice, so elegant. You will be getting a rosy fragrance from here. If you love roses, definitely you are going to love this fragrance guys, and you will be getting 150 ml of product in it, and the price of this one is written over here 190, but in Amazon you will definitely get it at 160 or 150. Prices fluctuates over there. This is something which I will highly recommend to you guys. Now the next fragrance is also from Yardley. I love Yardley for their amazing fragrances guys. Now this is a roll-on, as you can see, and this is also a fragrance of rose only, but this one is different and this one is different. Now the best part of this roll-on is it's going to stay at least for, I'll tell you, at least for 8-9 hours or more than that. And I love this roll-on because if you are suffering from body odor, definitely try Yardley's roll-on. This one is London Rose. The variant is named as London Rose, as you can see, and this is so nice. The price that you have to pay is less than 175, but the MRP says it is 175. Definitely give this one try. Now guys, up next I have this body spray with me. This is Nivea's Fresh Flower deodorant, and this is amazing guys. It is written over here 48-hour protection. May not be 48 hours, at least for 24 hours this fragrance is going to linger on your body, and this is a floral fragrance, and this is amazing. This is a very sweet type of floral fragrance, and the price which is written over here, I think it is 199, but definitely you will get it at 150 or 160 in Amazon. Now the next fragrance which I have with me is again from Yardley. Now this is Yardley London Morning Dew. This is also an amazing fragrance. I have emptied this bottle, and I'm getting so excited. I am getting so excited because after a long time I am filming again a perfume video. There was a time I filmed one perfume video and you guys loved it so much. And yes, what I was telling, the price of this one is 190, but you don't have to pay 190. Whatever is the MRP, you don't have to pay that guys. I'm telling you that. Check the links, you will come to know the present price. Okay, now this is also a very refreshing body spray. It is written over here Morning Dew, and it is a very refreshing kind of a fragrance guys. I can't define this one, but this is something which once you put it all over your body, you are going to feel so fresh. I bought one Temptation Ti Amo combo pack. at only rupees 350 or less than 350, maybe 330. But the thing is that there were 3 deodorants. I gave one to my mother. I only have right now 2 deodorants with me, guys, but I'll definitely provide the link down below. It is going to be a very good purchase for you. If you go ahead and check it out, you'll understand. There are so many reviews on it and all are amazing, you know. There was a time I didn't like these fragrances so much, but you know, then I tried it for 1 or 2 days and I start liking it. So yeah, this is also a great purchase of mine. Sorry for the noise. Okay, now this is known as Tiamo's Temptations Ti Amo range. Now this is the first variants, and all the variants are so mystic and floral, you know. You're going to definitely love it. Now this one is Ti Amo Breeze, and you're going to get 150 ml of product, and this is of, you know, this is a very sweet, not exactly I will say floral, but fruity type of a fragrance. This one, this yellow and orange one. Now next I have this pearl with me. Okay, this Ti Amo Pearl. Now this is this fragrance is very hard to define. It is not that totally floral kind of a fragrance, but it is somewhere between floral and that what to say, that mystic, if you understand what I'm trying to say, mystic fragrance. But this the combo of all these 3 deodorants are amazing, and you will be getting these 3 Temptation deos at only rupees 330 or 350. That is a quite good deal, you know. Definitely check it out. The link is down in the description box. Check it out and you will understand by the amazing reviews that how much people are just talking about these Ti Amo range of this Temptation. Now up next again I have one Yardley deo. So this is how this Yardley deo looks like, and it is very soothing to my eyes, you know, this lavender color. Now this is named as English Lavender. So definitely you will be getting the lavender fragrance. If you are someone who love lavender smell, you are going to love this one. It is only priced at rupees 150 or 60, though the MRP is 175. You don't have to pay that much. This is also a very good fragrance, I'm telling you that. Now the next one is from Nivea. This is their Pearl and Beauty. You might have heard about it or might not, but this is also a very good fragrance, and it is going to stay on your body at least almost for a day. And if you are suffering from body odor or something like that, definitely buy this. And this one is not having any alcohol, so this one is something, you know, it is just standing out from everybody else. So yeah, this is something you should check it out. And the price that you have to pay, I think it will be 170 or 160, though the MRP says it is of 190. Now guys, up next I have this Rio perfume for all of you guys. I have used it a lot. As you can see, I'm a perfume lover. I love perfume. I may not upload so many videos related to perfume, but I really love to, you know, buy affordable perfumes for myself. And yeah, now this perfume is only priced at rupees 220. When I bought it, it was 220, and the MRP is also somewhat within 250 or something. So definitely it's not going to cross the MRP, right? So yeah, this is also very affordable, and the fragrance is kind of a floral, but it is not very sweet type of floral fragrance. It is a very subtle kind of a floral fragrance, and the staying power of this perfume is 2 to 3 hours, because it is not that pricey that it is going to stay for, you know, 7 or 8 hours. So yeah, this is also a good perfume. You can definitely purchase it. It is affordable, it is good, and you can definitely carry it in your handbag also. Now up next I have one deodorant from the brand Titan. It is, the variant is known as Nude. Okay, now the thing is that I do not like this fragrance so much. It is not bad, you know, but the thing is that the fragrance is of musky type, and I like sweet fragrances, floral fragrances. I didn't know, it's not written over here somewhere that it is going to give me a musky type of a fragrance. So but I thought to include this in this video, because if you're someone who like musky type of fragrance, definitely you're going to like this one also. Okay, now up next I have one fragrance from Engage, and this is Engage G1 cologne spray. Now the amazing part of this fragrance is, I have talked about it I think in my earlier video also, earlier perfume video. It stays for a long time. I think for 5-6 hours it easily stays. I have actually almost finished it. What I was telling, for 5-6 hours is going to stay in your body and you are going to smell amazing. And it is also priced at rupees 230, but you don't have to pay that much. I think you will be getting at rupees 190 or 199. I can't really remember how much did I pay for this, but not more than 200. So this is also a very good fragrance. Now up next I have one deodorant from the brand Titan. It is, the variant is known as Nude. Okay, now the thing is that I do not like this fragrance so much. It is not bad, you know, but the thing is that the fragrance is of musky type, and I like sweet fragrances, floral fragrances. I didn't know, it's not written over here somewhere that it is going to give me a musky type of a fragrance. So but I thought to include this in this video, because if you're someone who like musky type of fragrance, definitely you're going to like this one also. Guys, I just forgot to show you this Temptation Secret perfume. This is also an amazing perfume. Now this variant is known as Dream, as you can see. Now this retails at rupees 399, but I got it at rupees 250. You can check the link out so that you will understand what is the present price. Now the fragrance is also very unique. It is a kind of that ocean breezy type of fragrance. I hope you can understand. I'm not that very sound in describing fragrances, but I'm trying my best, guys. So this is also an amazing perfume. You can definitely check this out. Now the last perfume of the day is coming from this brand. This is a brand named as Enchanter, and this bottle is also very sweet, very elegant. Now the smell that you will be getting from this perfume is a floral sweet type fragrance. This is the fragrance I really love, and the staying power of this fragrance is at least 4 to 5 hours, not more than that. And you will be getting 50 ml of product, and the price that I paid was rupees 520. I know the video says under 500, but how to define this 520? And I didn't want to leave this behind because it is really affordable. We can afford it, right? We can afford this one. So yeah, I thought of including this one in this video, guys. So this was all about in today's perfume video. I hope that you have liked it. If you have liked it, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon, and stay safe, stay happy, and what? Anything else to say? Nothing. See you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care. Bye bye.